Okay guys, I'm back with another Guardians of the Galaxy Crystal opening video, and we have about 44 or 46 crystals to open, and I am going to load 10 right now. Also, we got 14, so I'm going to spin 4 of these guys and open 10 just to get this video on the way. I had 4 fully formed ones, and I don't know, I would love to do my Star-Lord, 4-star Star-Lord, Gamora, and Drax out of this batch of this opening. That would be awesome, that would be great. Like, I really want it to happen, guys. Like getting that Star-Lord dupe finally would be awesome. And Gamora, like, they're two very good, awesome champions. And they are duped. And yeah, Star-Lord is just a beast. I'd definitely take him up to rank 440 if I get him duped today. That will happen. I'll be very hyped on that because I've seen gameplay videos on him and he is just one of the champions you have to have. Very useful once he's duped. Unduped, not so much. Just like Gamora. I like Gamora. She's a useful champion, but unduped, she's just she's not so great. When she has that assassination ability, oh man, when that kicks in, and I always use it just before I'm just about to. I always use this 2-star, the level 2 special, just when they're about to, when they're in their death range. I'll kick that L2 in, and it'll be beautiful. It's always beautiful because that assassination just rips into the opponent's skin. So far it's been 2-star straight, as you guys can see, man. Okay, so we're coming up to opening our 10 batch, and so far it's been 2 stars. I've just been getting 2 stars. We want Gamora, we want Drax, we want Star-Lord, we want them duped, and we want them duped today, not tomorrow, today. So please let it happen. 4-star, somebody, a nice golden 4-star. That's what we want. Okay, so here guys, I'm just gonna open 10 just like that. Bang bang. Oh, we've got a bunch of 2 stars, and we've got 2 3-star Draxes. Mental, very mental. So I've got to give out of these. This last, we got 32 crystals left. I'm gonna spin 2 and open. That's the method we roll with on these video openings. Gonna spin 2, open 8, and see what happens for us. I've been shouting for a 4-star dupe Star-Lord, Gamora, and Drax. Like, we need that. We already got Groot and Rocky, at the duplication level. So that's what we're after. We're after the 2-star. We're after the 4-star, the big 3 killers. Big 3 killers. Mr. Lord, Miss Gamora, and Mr. Drax himself. Duplications. That's what we want. Come on. Just leave any one of them out of this opening video today would be awesome stuff. On the hunt for those guys, man. I just, like, last 2 weeks and a half, these crystals, all the crystals have been treating me bad, apart from the 4-star ones. They've just been treating me like a criminal. In the beginning, when this crystal setup came out, in the beginning it treated me great with a 4-star rocket. Like, I appreciate that. I screamed it and it happened, but this time around I'm screaming it and it's just not happening, which is not good stuff. Okay, so let's get back into it. Spin 2, open 8. That's the method, guys. That's the method we're rolling with, man. Oh god, man. Let's go. Let's go. What we want is what we should get. 4-star starter. Come on, baby. Come on. Oh. In my last crystal opening that I just did not too long ago, it was basically 2-star streak with like 4 to 5 3-stars, which was like insult to injury. All my hard grinding in the arenas and getting these milestones in, and it's just gonna treat me like a villain. Like, come on, I'm a hero, man. Like, I just want 4 stars, man. I just need to duplicate my 4-star champions, man. It's just 2-star streak. The luck is not rolling in. It's gonna open these 8 and see what happens. Oh, 3-star Draxes, like I just didn't get 2 not too long ago. Oh man, like at this rate, he's gonna be Duke 99. Just one more 3-star Drax, and that's it. This is crazy, man. They give me Draxes, but not the one I want. Okay, so this is almost the last batch. It's been 2 open 8. Come on, out of these last ones, something's gotta give. It's gotta give it to me. Give me what I need. We want 4-star Star-Lord. Out of the other 2, we want 4-star Star-Lord. Had him for a long time unduped, and just getting him duped now would be awesome stuff. So please, just not Groot, man. Why? That's what I'm asking. Why? Why always me with the 2-star streak, man? Why? Oh man, it's not looking good for me, guys. It's not looking good. So we're gonna open this 8. We're just gonna smash it down. Oh my days! Look at what we just got here. Awesome. The last 8 blessed me. Oh man. Oh, I didn't expect that. I thought it was gonna be 2-star streak all over again. But it's blessed me with 2 4-star champions, Gamora and another duplication on my Rocket, which is, oh man, I don't even know what to say. I'm in shock. We finally got that duplication on Gamora. Yes, Assassination has rolled right in, guys. We've got her up. We've got Rocket back up as well. He's on duplication 40 now. That's crazy. Didn't see that happening. Okay, so we've got 2 here. Whatever happens. We're just gonna open it, man. You know, it's gonna be 2 stars, obviously, but we just got blessed with 2 4-star champions, so that's awesome stuff. Cool, man. So if you like my commentary on the video, please like and subscribe. I'm gonna be back with more crystal openings, and yeah, man, I like, that's put me in a good mood, man. I'm over the moon. So, you know, you guys, hope you have like as good as luck as I have, and yeah, good luck. Peace out.